typecasting. In automatic type conversion, what operator is used? Assignment operator. In typecasting, which operator is used? Cast operator. Can cast operator store data? Can cast operator store data? No. Cast operator can only convert and return. Who can store data? Only assignment operator can store data. Next, can assignment operator convert data? Can assignment operator perform conversion operation? Yes. When assignment operator can perform conversion, if the given value is lesser than variable type. Lesser type converted to higher, but a higher cannot convert it to lesser. Compiler will throw error with assignment operator. Okay, na? Right. Then finally, whenever you want to convert higher range value to lesser range, even though there is some value loss, then you must use cast operator. When you want to convert lesser type to higher type, cast operator not required, directly can use what? Assignment operator. So, and there is a formula, right? We have learned one formula, negative number conversion formula, positive number conversion formula. This formula we have to apply one time or repeatedly until the value come to the range. You have to repeatedly apply on the result. These are the points we completed, and I gave you one chart. Okay, let us recollect. What is the chart? Type conversion chart. You don't need to by heart anything. Just you remember this chart. What is that? First, lesser type is what? Byte. Next to byte, next higher what? Short. Next to short higher is what? Int. Next to int higher is long. Next to long higher is float. Next to float higher is what? Double. When you are assigning char, then char type variable should assign to what? Int. This is the chart you should remember. Tell me, type conversion you have to do based on range of the data type or based on size of the data type? Range of the data type, not a size of the data type. Okay, these are compatible. This is what? Lesser range data type to higher range data type. This conversion, lesser to higher conversion is called what? Automatic conversion. Higher range to lesser range conversion is called what? Cast. If you try to do conversion of any of these 7 type to Boolean, Boolean to any type, compiler will throw error. Same way, any type to string, string to any type if you do, it also leads to what? Compile time error. Can casting also will work? No. Casting will not work. Assignment also will not work. Next, these are the points we discussed. Is it possible to assign char to short or short to char? No. Byte to char or char to byte? No. Because the range problem. Byte has a negative number, cannot store in char. Short has a negative number, cannot store in char. Okay. So these are the points you must remember. Now, I have totally 3 special cases available. First special case is we can store long value to that's why int you cannot assign to char. Char only you are assigning to int. Gajanan. Whom to whom you are writing? Char to int possible. Int to char not possible. Long can be assigned to float, but a float cannot be assigned to long. This is the case number 1. Case number 2 on char data type. Okay. Let me try to explain directly with a program instead of slides. Let me directly work with a program. I can assign 5 to long. I can assign long to float. No compile time error. Control 1, compile. Control 2, executed. What the value of L1? 5. What the value of F1? 5.0. Long can be assigned to float, but float cannot be assigned to long. Now look at that. Integer assigned to float allowed. Float assigning to long not allowed. With the cast operator allowed. Okay, line number 12 is compile time error. Line number 12, incompatible types, possible lossy conversion from float to long. Now, with the cast operator, we can do. With the cast operator, higher range we can assign to lesser range. No problem. Compile. And what value coming? 10.0. When you use the cast operator, this 0.0 is removed, only 10 stored in the long. Tell me, in a float variable, can I store long data type highest range? Yes. Look at that. This is the highest range of the long value, maximum value. The max value I have copied from the table and assigned here. And tell me, is it compiled or not compiled? Is this line compiled or not compiled? Come on. Not compiled here. This is a large number. Large number, if you use in the program, you must suffix with a L. Compiler throw error. Integer number too large. Integer number too large. Okay. Then how to use a long max value? By using suffix with L. Now compile successfully, and the L5, that large number as it is printed. Large number as it is printed. Why? In the long variable, that large number stored as it is. Now I am trying to assign that large number to float. Any error or no error here? Why error? Assignment problem or number problem? Number problem, because suffixing with L is not there. Integer number too large. Then I am taking suffix with L assigned to F5. Any error? No error. It is accepted because float memory size is 4 bytes, but this large number is stored in the float in a exponential format. If any print F, this number as it is not printed, it print as 9.22 some exponential format, it will be printed. Control 1, control 2. Look at that. 9.223 e power 18 exponential format stored. Then it become large number as a short number stored. But when you typecast that number to the long type, again the original value we are getting back. The original value we are getting back. Okay. So finally what? Long can be assigned to float, but float cannot be assigned to long. Float cannot be assigned to long because floating point number cannot be stored in the long variable. Next, long variable data type size is 4 bytes. Float data type size is long data type size is what? 8 bytes. Float data type size is what? 4 bytes. How 8 byte range data can be stored in 4 bytes range? Because data is stored in a exponential format. Okay. Then next important case with a char data type. With a char data type, horrible conversation is there. Horrible discussion is there. Everyone, please focus. Tell me now. Character comes under a char set, na? Remember, I told you character set. Character set. Special case, case 1, long value. This is long, and understand this point. Look at here. If I use float value to the float variable allowed. If I give float value to byte and stored in byte, here, any compile time error? No compile time error. What is the value coming from float? 254.345. You want to convert to which type? Byte. Byte is an integer number. This fractional portion is removed. Only what is taking? 254 only taking. Converted to -1 coming. Okay, leave it. Now, come to the char data type. Very, very, very important. Nice. Write statement like this. Char ch1 equal to single quote a. Allowed? A char variable is meant for storing character. So char literal, that is not a variable. Char literal I assign to the char variable allowed. Observe now. Char ch2 equal to 98 I have written. Allowed or not allowed? Everyone should answer. Allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Why not allowed? It is a integer. It is a integer. Is it a variable or literal? Literal. Literal means what? Constant. Constant means what? It is a fixed. This literal int type 98. It is considered as int 98. Data type with literal both consider int literal 98 in the range of char. Try to observe. If I use a literal directly, compiler will see its a type and also what? Value. Understand? If I write int with a constant value, it will see type, also take the value and check, is that value in the range of char? What the char range? 0 to 65,535. 0 to 65,535. Is 98 in this range or not? Yes. Then it is compiled. First point, tell me, is char and in are compatible? Come on. Is char and int are compatible? No. Arey, malla data types starting chappala ippudu nenu. Should I teach you data types again from the beginning? Answer is what? Yes. Int and char data types are compatible because they are comes under numeric type. Then, can I assign int literal to char variable? Answer is what? In front of you, answer there. Blind fellows, come on. Is it possible to assign int literal to char variable? Possible or not possible? Possible, yes, but only up to the char range. For example, I am writing char CHT equal to 66,000. Allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Now you'll get compile time error. Possible lossy conversion from int to char. What is the range of char? 0 to 65,535. Now answer my question. Again, I'm asking everyone answer. Is char and int are compatible? Yes. Then now tell me, can I assign char literal to int variable? Can I assign char literal to int variable? Int I1 equal to 97. Can I store? Yes. Int I2 equal to char literal single quote B to I2. Allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Allowed or not allowed? Allowed, Rabab. Allowed. Here I1 variable is created. What value is stored inside? 97. I2 variable is stored inside. What value is stored? What value is stored? This is what? Char. This type is what? Char. But variable type is what? Int. It should store data in the character format or number format. Number format. What is single quote B number? 98. What is stored here? 98. Similarly, below here, ch1 is a variable of what type? Char. Char variable should store data in which format? Character format, directly stored. ch2, below here what is stored? 98 is what? Number. But number can store in the char variable? No. The number should store in the character format. Internally is converted to what? Character B. Sir, how the character is coming, sir? ASCII character set. What is that? Single quote A, number is what? 97. Okay. Single quote B, single quote C, dot, single quote Z. Now, here it is number 98. Its number is what? 100. Like that, dot, you have to remember. Next, single quote capital A, single quote capital B, single quote capital C, and dot, single quote capital Z. Single quote capital A number is what? 65, 66, and then what? 67, dot, capital Z 26. Very important. I can also represent a digit as a character. Single quote 0, single quote 1, single quote 2, dot, 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 single quote 9. Then single quote 0, number format is not 0, 48. Single quote 0, number format is 48. Single quote 0, single quote 1, number format is what? 49, 48, 49, 50. Dot, dot, dot. Understand? You must remember this table. Don't say that, oh, sir, I'm feeling difficult to remember. My brain is very weak, sir. Improve its strength. You should remember. Now answer my question. If I assign int and int, is char and int are compatible to each other? Yes. Can I assign int literal to char variable? Yes. Can I assign char literal to int variable? Yes. Then compiler or JVM, sometime compiler, sometime JVM, automatically converts char to int and int to char literal based on the ASCII table. Based on the ASCII table, they will do conversion and store. If we assign int literal to char variable, the int literal is converted to char literal and stored in a char variable. If we assign char literal to int variable, the char literal is converted to int literal and stored in the variable. Samajh mein aaya? So this is the very important discussion. Okay, read this point now. Char and number types are compatible to each other. So we can assign what to what? Char literal to number variable, int literal to char variable. In the above assignment, compiler and JVM performs required conversion. If I assign char literal to number variable, I didn't say int variable, I said number variable. JVM stores that character ASCII number. If we assign number literal to char variable, JVM stores that numbers ASCII character. Below table shows just now shown. Java supports Unicode character set. It is a superset of ASCII character set. Unicode character set range is 0 to 65,000. ASCII character is 0 to 255. So the rule is the number we assign to char variable must be in the range of 0 to 65,535, else it leads to compile time error, possible loss of precision. All you people identify. Char ch1 equal to a. Any error? I'm giving answer. Come on, faster. What is printed? Bolo. Any error? No. What is stored inside? A. What is printed? A. Int I1 equal to 98. 98. Int IT equal to B? 98. CH3 equal to 255. Allowed or not allowed? What is stored? I'm not asking because you also don't know, I also don't know. What? Is it stored or not stored? Stored. Allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Ray. What is the range, ra? 65,535. What number I assign? 65,000, ra. 65,000 in the range of char, na? So allowed or not allowed? Allowed. Next, 65,535. Allowed. 66,000 because exceeding the range of char data type. Understood? Really? Acting up. If I print CH6, what is printed? 66,000 is printed. 66,000 equivalent character printed. Come on, Gajnis, my dear Gajnis. If I assign 97, 97 printed, equivalent character printed. Similarly, if I print CH6, CH5, CH4, CH3, are these literals printed? Their equivalent characters printed. Equivalent character printed. समझ में आया? समझ में आया? नहीं आया? बोलो. Understood or not understood? Repeat again. If I assign int literal to char variable, inside this variable, the assigned integer number equivalent character is stored, retrieved from the Unicode character set. It will go to the Unicode character set. Sir, where is Unicode character set? I don't know, sir. Open browser. Open the. Type here Unicode character set. Okay, na? Now open this Wikipedia. Okay, na? This is a Unicode character set table. This is the decimal format 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Decimal format 1, 2, 3, 4. 97. Here. 159 already. Yeah, 65 is what? A. 97 is what? Small a. Not visible, eh? Or else you can download PDF. Unicode character is hexadecimal number with 4 digits. Okay, these are the different symbols it is showing. Okay, these are all the symbols. This number represents shut. This number represents this. Okay. If you want to scold any person with animals, or if you want to highlight with animals, you can use these numbers. Okay. Mouse symbol is this. Okay. Not this table also properly not there. अरे यार Here, look at this table. ASCII character sets. Hey, table of characters, ASCII characters. 64, 65 is what? A. 97 is A. कहाँ है 0? 48. 38 is 48. 0 to 957. And Greek letters. Okay, take it. Now, this is the JVM will bring the values from there. Fine. And now repeat again. I'm asking one important question. Everyone try to answer. If we assign integer number to a char variable, its equivalent character will be stored in the char variable. This number representing character should be supported by our computer, na? By default, our operating system is US-based operating system. It supports only ASCII character set 0 to 255 only. By default, Unicode character set will not be there in our computers. By default, we have only ASCII character set 0 to 255 only will be there. Bolo. If I write 65,000, it's representing character. 66,000, 65,535, it's representing character, not there in our computer. Tell me now, when you assign it in this variable, what it should store? JVM know that character or don't know? Na? Don't know. Because OS is not giving. JVM is going on asking OS, what is the character for 65,000? OS is saying, sorry, I don't know. Then it is coming back and saying, question mark. What is that? I don't know. Okay. If the assigned literal not supporting by your operating system, what is stored? Question mark. The special character question mark. If the assigned numbers corresponding character is not supported by your computer, JVM internally stores the special character question mark. By default, Windows OS supports only ASCII character set. So if you assign number value beyond 0 to 255 range, JVM internally stores question mark character. What is the output of the below program? 98. What is printed? B. 216. Don't know. What is stored? Question mark. Understand? So 2 points, 3 points totally. Point number 1, char and number types are compatible. Second, we can assign integer literal to char variable. Number 3, we can assign char literal, I'm stressing, literal, stressing, to any number variable. Char literal to number variable. Number 4, then compiler and JVM performs conversion. What is the important point? Special character question mark. If the assigned integer literal matching character not supporting by your computer, what is stored internally? Question mark. Let me show you these points practically. Test case number 2, char data type compatibility. देखो ये 97, 98B. The given programs, you have to write the comments like this. Line by line, you have to compile and execute and learn. Control 1, compile. Control 2. What is output coming? Look at there. We assigned what? A. A is printed as A. We assigned 97, converted to character and printed. We assign 98, data type is int coming. We assign character, converted to int, 98 coming. Conversions are doing automatically by compiler and JV. Abhi bolo, if I assign 255, what is printed? 255 matching character. What is the 255 matching character? टू 255 कहाँ है? इधर 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 223. अच्छा, 255 is what? Empty, maybe space. Okay. Control. What is coming? Some special character is coming. Okay. Now, if I take 260, if I take 260, or if I take 65,000, 260 and 65,000 character is supporting character is there in my operating system? No. Then what is printed? Question mark, question mark. Saying that I don't know, the matching character is not available in your computer. I don't know. Then if I assign 66,000, if I assign 65,536, 65,536. In both the statements, compiler will throw error. Possible lossy conversion. Possible lossy conversion, possible lossy conversion. Up to now, understand? Next, think and tell me. Up to now, we are understanding literal. Literal is a constant. Observe, important point. When I write int I1 equal to single quote A, you are initializing the variable with variable literal. Literal. Literal means what? Constant. Constant means what? Fixed. Fixed means what? Directly it is taking A and checking is this value can be in the range of int or not. Yes, compile. Now I am writing char ch1 equal to 97. 97 is what? Constant. Literal. Literal means what? Fixed. Fixed means what? Directly it is considered as what? 97. 97 in the range of char. Yes, it is compiled. But now case number 2. Everybody following up? Case number 2, confusion to you. Please carefully observe. You know already. Yesterday you learned. But today extra point you learn. Confusing there and here and confused. Now variable with variable assignment with a variable. I am writing int I1 equal to 97. Any problem? Come on. I am writing char ch1 equal to 97. Any problem? Everyone? But not 97. I am writing I1. Problem? Any problem? No problem? Bolo. Problem? No problem? Chapal answered. Problem. Now compiler throw error. I confused. Before you said compiled. Yeah. Before case is different. Now case is different. Before case is what? Literal. But now case is what? Variable. When I take variable, compiler consider variable value, variable type. What type is added? Is a int range. Is a int range. Is lesser than char range? No. That's why compiled error. Yesterday point. Yesterday all we discussed with literals, discussed with variables. Variables. Okay. If you assign higher type variable to lesser type variable, compiler throw error. But today you have combined with 2 points, literal assignment, variable assignment. What variable I have assigned? Sorry, what literal I have assigned? The literal within the range of char 60 up to 65,535 assigned. Any error? No error? No error. When I assign 66,000, error or not? Yes, because it is a exceeding. Compiler no up to 65,000. But come to the variable. Come to the variable. Does compiler know the value what is coming from I1? No. Then what consider? The range of the data type int. Is the int range in the range of char? No. Then compiler throw error. Then tell me, here the problem is type problem or range problem? Range problem. Then can we solve this range problem? Yes. How? Char ch1 2 equal to by writing what type? Char of I1. If I write with a cast operator, compiler verify int and char compatible? Yes. Char can be stored in char? Yes. Then compile successfully. At runtime, JVM will take from I1 what value? 97. 97 converted to char? Yes. What value is coming out? A. Single quote A is stored in the char variable. Repeat again. Can I assign char? Sorry. Can I assign int literal directly to the char variable? Yes. Up to 0 to 65,535. Can I assign int variable directly to char variable? No, because compiler will not see the value. Compiler see only type. Int type range is greater than char type. That's why compiler throw error. But I want to assign, then use cast operator. With the cast operator, I can assign int variable to char variable. Understood? Understood? Understood and like this. Not understood and like this. You are saying understood. Come on again, boys. Everybody got clarity? Paka? If you understand this point, I will ask you special cases. Ready? Online students? Online students? Oh, online students. Heavy hand. Heavy na? Heavy, heavy. But still, you must learn. There is no other option. You want job? Em repeat చేయాలి చెప్పు రిపీట్ చేస్తా చెప్పురా చెప్పు సత్యం సత్యం శివం సుందరం కమాన్ ఏమి రిపీట్ వాట్ షుడ్ ఐ రిపీట్ ఐ విల్ రిపీట్ you ask repeat and you are not listening. Why should I waste my time, other students time for you when you are not listening? So char variable है हाँ तुम्हारे पास एक char variable है ch1 है ये किसके किसके असाइन कर सकते int literal से और int variable से समझ में आया इंट वेरिएबल असाइनमेंट में कंपाइल टाइम एरर नहीं है ए असाइन कर सकते नो एरर है इंट वेरिएबल असाइन करते तो तुमको कंपाइल टाइम एरर आता क्यों इधर डायरेक्टली वैल्यू कंसिडर वैल्यू इन द रेंज ऑफ char तो अलाउड हियर व्हाट इज कंसिडर नॉट वैल्यू कंसिडर व्हाट इंट consider what int here consider what 97 in the range of char here consider what int not in the range of char that's why throwing error understand two cases satyam babu समझ में आया now observe here and tell me I taken char literal. Char literal means directly literal consider. Directly A can be stored in char. Yes. This is a literal. This is variable. Variable means what is considered? Value consider. Variable type range consider. Tell me what is variable? Char. Char in the range of int. Yes. Then is it compiled? Yes. Then tell me what is the value of ch8? A. What the value of I3 97? A 97. Okay. Come on, everyone should answer. ఇక్కడ నుంచి చిన్న కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటుంది if that confusion if you are speaking out confusion will be removed if you are listening confusion will be continued tell me I am giving 3 lines in these 3 lines which is error which is no error bolo ఎంతసేపు చూస్తారు చకచక ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి 97 can be stored in 97 or int what you have to pronounce 97 int 97 both you have to consider 97 can be stored in int okay next what I have written I4 tell me can I store I4 can I assign I4 to char variable directly no why I4 is a variable what value coming from I4 don't know no sir 94 97 there na don't see why you are seeing if you see your JVM currently you are compiling compiler see the value cannot see don't see right side I told you yesterday one movie what was the movie Mahesh Babu movie Guntur Karam only see left side you know in that movie Mahesh Babu left ear will not work only right ear will work he's calling all the villains come this side we will fight okay similarly compiler can see only left side type, right side cannot see. Right ear will not work to the compiler, only work with what? Right side, left side. Left side, what is substituted? Int. What is the int range? The 10-digit number to 10-digit number not in the range of char. Then compiler throw error line number 64. Line number 64. Incompatible types, possible lossy conversion. What to do? First comment it. Then use cast operator. When you use cast operator, no compile time error, conversion happen. And what value is coming on store? 97A. So two cases, clear? Answer again my question. Can I assign char literal to int variable? Yes. Can I assign char variable to int variable? Come on. अरे ఎన్నిసార్లు వింటారా మళ్ళా 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 बार बार बोलना पड़ता है क्या? इतना गजनी है क्या? Char can store in internal. Int is a higher range. Yesterday table by heart. Byte to बोला chart to char to ये टेबल किसका टेबल? लिटरल्स का टेबल है, वेरिएबल्स का टेबल है. Variable. Byte variable can be assigned to short variable. Short variable can be assigned to int variable. Char variable can be assigned to int. Reverse possible? No. If you want to make it possible, I should use cast operator. सुनो ध्यान से सुनो. Can I assign char literal to int variable? Higher range allowed. Can I assign char literal to int variable? Higher range allowed. Okay na? Question number 2. Can I assign int literal to the char variable? Yes no na? Yes no na? Yes no. What? Yes, but only up to 0 to 65,535. Everyone speak out. Can I assign int literal to char variable? అరే మళ్ళా చూస్తారేంట్రా చెప్పండి రా ఒకసారి. ఎస్ కంప్లీటెడ్ ఆన్సర్. హాఫ్ ఆన్సర్ you gave, remaining half answer. Yes, but only up to 0 to 65,535. Repeat again. What is the answer? Yes, we can assign int literal to char variable, but only up to 0 to 65,535. Okay now? Is it possible to assign int variable to char variable? Can I assign int variable to char variable? Yes sir. Yes sir. ఇంకిసిరేస్తా మైక్ని చెప్పా మళ్ళీ. Can I assign int variable to char variable? Yes or no na? No, it leads to compile time error because here compiler not consider value. Compiler consider only variable type range. Int range is higher than char. If I want to assign, I must use cast operator. Okay na? Tell me again. Can I assign int variable to char variable? Answer: no, not possible directly. With cast operator, possible. Repeat again. Two answers you must give now. If you don't talk now, I will ask you write imposition 100 times. Each point I will give you punishment 100 times you will write now. Today, only this is the discussion. Literal assignment, variable assignment. A variable can be assigned with a literal. A variable can be assigned with a variable. If I assign with a literal, that literal directly consider in the range or not. If you assign variable, don't see value, see what? Variable type range. Now tell me, is it possible to assign char literal to int variable? Yes. Is it possible to assign char variable to int variable? Yes. Because char is lesser than int. Opposite. Is it possible to assign int literal to char variable? Yes, up to 0 to 65,535. Is it possible to assign int variable to char variable? No, directly not possible, but with a cast operator possible. Understand? I will write so many test cases on the screen. You must answer different things. I will write with literal, with variable, with higher range, lesser range. I will fully confuse you today. So I want everyone give create correct answer. On what basis correct answer, wrong answer? With eyes, always wrong answer. With mouth, right answer. In the mouth, which algorithm should run? Hierarchy diagram should run. Understand? Now, with this knowledge, I'm asking question, answer. Can I assign char literal to byte variable? Can I assign char literal to byte variable? Before giving answer yes or no, consider one example. Tell me one example. What I said? Can I assign char variable to byte variable? Tell one example. Byte B1 equal to single quote, not A is a error variable. Single quote A. Tell me, is this line compiled or not? You assigned char variable or char literal? Char literal and compiler directly consider as a value, na? This value is assigned to the char variable or byte variable? Byte variable. Byte variable is a number variable. Then the character converted to number. What is single quote a number? Is 97 in the range of byte? Then tell me, can I assign char literal to byte variable? Yes or no? Na? Yes. But previously said no. But now you are saying yes. Where is the difference? Previously, no. Now you consider everything A to Z, 0 to 100, complete example, its execution, then you answer. Habituate. When a question is given, first consider example, then execute, then tell the answer. Okay, na? Again, I'm asking question. Ready? Yeah? Socho, you gave only half answer. I want full answer. Is it possible to assign char literal to byte variable? Yes, I'm giving three options. Yes, no, yes, no. Huh? Why yes, no? Byte range is what? Minus 128 to 127. The character in the range of byte only we can assign. The characters comes under the range of 0 to 127 I can assign. Beyond 127 up to 65,535. Can I assign or cannot assign? Cannot assign. Compiler throw error. Understood? Second question I'm asking. This time should not take my help. You must answer. Is it possible to assign? Gajanan, don't take extra points, only direct points answer. Is it possible to assign char literal to short variable? Is it possible to assign char literal to short variable? Yes or no? Na? Yes, no, na? Answer is yes. But up to short range 0 to 32,767 only. Beyond it's a higher range, higher value, compiler throw error. Okay, na? Comfortable? Got enough brain? Literal what I have to see, variable what I have to see. If you assign literal means constant, compiler consider type range, this value range, value range. Again repeating, if I assign literal range it take directly, that value it will take, and verifying is it in the range of this particular data type or not. If not, throw error. If yes, store. If I take variable Not consider value range. Consider what? Data type range. Higher data type, not allowed. Lesser data type, allowed. Okay, na? Question number 1 completed. I'm asking second question. First question what? Is it possible to assign char literal to byte and short variable? Answer is yes, but up to the range of byte and short. Second question I'm asking. Is it possible to assign char variable to byte and short? Yes or no? Na? No. Direct answer is what? No. Because char data type range is greater than byte and short. Understood? Understood? Right? Interviewer given question on literal, given question on variable, carefully notice and you have to answer. Okay? If you are blindly applying same algorithm for both, it's not good. And tell me, when you are in the house, eating algorithm is different. When you are in the restaurant, eating algorithm is different. In restaurant, you should eat very style. You cannot move entire hand and should not be do like that, right? In the house, your wish. However you want, you can eat, no problem. So same way, what is that? Literal assignment, variable assignment, two algorithms. Literal assignment, directly consider literal. Variable assignment, consider what? Variable type, but not the value available in the variable. Done. Shall I move to the next point? Paka? Now answer my question. I'm writing one statement. Right or wrong, you tell. Char. CH1 equal to 97. Allowed? Huh? Char CH1 equal to minus 97. ఎంతసేపు ఆలోచిస్తారా? How much time you will take to think ra? Minus 97. Allowed or not allowed? Why? It is not in the range of char. Char range start from where? 0 to 65,535. I know I am troubling your brain too much. Why? Your brain last 5-6 years after corona only seeing, not thinking. Thinking capacity gone. Now I am forcing you to think. Your brain is getting pain. Appa, sorry, yeah, sir. Allowed or not allowed, allowed or not allowed. That job will give. Yesterday, I think last week I told you one batch student got a job. Vaishnavi, some name I told, right? Today another message I got. Software engineer job in the company is what? Doing work with your strength of the body with the strength of the brain. You are not a daily labor. You are not going to the software company with the weights. Understand? You are not going to the lift weights. You are not the daily labor. You are working in company with your brain, thought capacity. When you see something, analyzation capacity should come. What is right? What is wrong? Why I should write it? Which concept I have to use here to complete this problem? You know, indirectly I can say you are a Thomas Alva Edison scientist. A software engineer is a scientist. You know, Thomas Alva Edison is only target what? Finding that light. Edison found light, telephone. Graham Bell is found telephone, na? Right? His target is only one. This particular item is invented, his job is over. But software engineer, daily one task will come for you. Today task, tomorrow will not be there. Today one task, tomorrow another task, day after tomorrow another task. Oh my God, so many thought process should run in your brain. That's why you have to learn fixed number of syllabus or complete syllabus. Complete syllabus. Compiler algorithms, JVM algorithm, complete thought process. If you learn these 3 months, if you fully surrender to me, whatever I say, you study, understand, repeat, practice, come to the next class and reply, right answer, wrong answer, reply. Within 1 week to 10 days, the habit will come. Automatically your brain will start know how to think. Again repeating. Presently your brain don't know how to think. That's why it is getting pain. If you follow my questions and answers and replying answers, your brain will start to understand habituate. Oh, this is a way I have to think. Understood, Hari. Come on, give me next question. I'll show my talent. When you ride cycle first time, you fell down that side, this side, because your brain don't know how to balance your body. After 2 to 3 times falling that side, this side, it understood, oh, if cycle going that side, I should pull the body opposite side. Then that opposite side, opposite side, opposite side, opposite side, finally balance gone. Understand? Brain learning every time. Body don't learn anything. Only brain will learn. So, but it takes some time. But you should help to your brain to learn. If you just sit silently and see my face, your brain will not learn. It will get pain or it will sleep. Either sleep or pain. Working? Ready? Shall I ask a question? Tell me. What is the type of variable I'm taking? Byte. To the byte variable, can I assign char literal? Yes. Char variable? No. To the short variable, can I assign char literal? Yes. Char variable? No. To the int variable, can I assign char literal? Yes. Char variable? Yes. Why? Because char data type is lesser than int. When you can assign char variable to int, further I can also assign char literal or char variable I can assign to long, float, double. Boolean? No. Boolean is incompatible. Got clarity? Shall I ask opposite question? I'm expecting answer from you, okay? Can I assign byte literal to the char variable? Can I assign byte literal to the char variable? Come on, come on. Can I assign byte literal to the char variable? Ante literal chapter didn't study. We don't have byte literal, man. There is no literal of type byte, na? There is no literal of type byte, ra? 5 is int literal. Okay, na? There is no byte literal. Can I assign short literal to char variable? What the answer? Yes or no, na? There is no short literal. But you are saying no, no, no. No means what? It is there but not allowed. What is your answer? There is no short literal. If anybody asks, what is byte literal? What is short literal? What is your answer? There is no byte literal, short literal. For byte to assign, short to assign, we have to use same int literal only in the range of byte and short. Okay. Second question. Can I assign byte variable to char variable? Can I assign byte variable to char variable? Variable and what I have to consider? Range. What the range of byte? Minus 128. Above char range is start from 0. Allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Because negative number, not allowed. Next, can I assign short variable to char variable? No. Because negative number. So final conclusion table, tell me. Char literal can be assigned to all number data types variable, no problem. Second point, char variable I cannot assign to byte short, can be assigned int onwards. Understand? Next, int literal can be assigned to char variable, but byte variable, short variable, int variable cannot assign to char variable because their range is higher than char. Okay, na? Understood? Pakka? Got clarity to your brain? With this knowledge, I want to give you one question. Everybody look at the code and answer. Online students, is it clear? Identify errors. In these 2 lines, any error or no error? Bolo, fast, how much time? Which direction you are reading? Left to right or right to left? Huh? Hey, left to right, if you read Katam, you never learn Java. Assignment always done from which direction? Read. What the meaning of assignment? Storing. Storing character in byte. Allowed? What is printed? Hare Krishna, why error? What is printed? 97. Char literal, can I store in short variable? Yes. What is the value printed? 97. No compile time error. No runtime error. Output is what? 97, 97. Speak out. What assigning? Char literal to byte variable allowed because it is 97 in the range of byte. Now tell me. Ore Babu. Oh, Babu. Who is that? Krishna Baba. Bolo. What is this char literal? Char variable. Char variable can assign to byte. No. Char variable can assign to short. No. You will get two compile time errors. Possible lossy conversion. Okay, na? Next tell me. How can I assign with a cast operator? With the cast operator allowed. Because cast operator will do type conversion. Type range conversion. If you practice CL, compulsory you have to practice. Now, there is no compile time error here. With the cast operator, no compile time. Compiler takes character and byte compatible? Yes. Character and short compatible? Yes. What the character available in CH11? A converted to number 97 stored. A converted to number 97 and stored. What is the output printed? 97, 97. Okay, now? Online students, speak in English. Bolo. 3 lines. What is the error? There is an error. Answer. 97 can store in byte. Yes. Can I assign byte variable to char variable? No. Compiler see what's here, 97 type. Then with the cast operator, allowed. Line number 85, compile time error. Line number 85, compile time error. Okay. Then how to solve this compile time error? Comment it, use cast operator. What is the value we will get? 97. Output will be 97. 97 and A. V397 character 90. Okay, na? Got clarity? These points I have given in this PDF document. What is the output from below program? Listen here. We know we can assign int literal to char variable. In the same way, can we assign int variable to char variable? No, because int data type range is greater than char data type range. What is the output from below program? Int I1 97, char ch2 I1. Here error, here no error. We can assign int variable to char variable through cast operator. 97, here error, here no error. Also think. Also think. Can we assign char variable to byte short variables and byte variables to char variable? We can assign char literal to byte short variables if the assigned char literal ASCII number is within the range of byte and short data types. But we cannot assign char variable to byte or short variable. Also, we cannot assign byte or short variables to char variable because their range has negative number. Byte 97 allowed, CHB error. With cast operator allowed, what is the value? A. Everything correctly? Complete notes is clearly provided. Will you all practice? Paka? Sure. Last 5 minutes. What is the time now? Oh, 7:12. Okay, today we'll stop class by 7:30 because outside raining. Many people didn't come to the class. Okay. Tomorrow, who missed today class? Can they understand tomorrow class? People who missed today class, can they understand tomorrow class? Dekh lenge. Now, listen. I am showing you one small question. Pakka you will enjoy if you answer. Okay? Open notes. With this knowledge, show your talent. Find out compile time errors in the below program, comment them and print values remaining variables. If there is any compile time error, comment. If no compile time error, print out. Everything. write this program in your notes, side, no compile time error, tick mark, output. No error, tick mark, output. Okay? If any error, cross mark and move to the next point. Chalo. Write this program in your notes, line by line write, line by line answer. Write a output. Second one, output, output. Third one, wrong. Fourth one, right. Output, A. Fifth one, right. Output, huh? What? One. Why? 97 ASCII number is A. 49 ASCII number is 1. Next. Error. Error. Correct. What is output? 29. 29 or 49? 49. 29. Hey. Come on. What is the output? What is the output? Here. $49? I know. You all say 49. That's why it trapped you. You know, Lage Raho Munna Bhai movie? Munna Bhai MBBS, Lage Raho Munna Bhai. In a second movie, Lage Raho Munna Bhai, Bapu is, that hero is seeing the Bapu and talking to Bapu. Huh? That particular psychiatrist wanted to prove that he is mentally disturbed. And he is imagining that the Bapu is talking with him. Right? Then what he did to prove that, he asked initially the questions which he knows. And he asked the questions which he never find in any textbook. Then Bapu not talking, na? Like that. You know, 1 is 49. 1 is 49, single code 1 is 49. Huh? 1 is 49. 1 is integer, 49 also integer, Rabbi. How integer matching integer will become? Huh? 1 is 49. Single code 1 is 49. Single code 1 is 49. Single quote A is 97. Single quote capital A is 65. Single quote 1 is 49. Not 1 is 49. What I have assigned here? 1. When I assign 97, what is stored? Bola. When I store 49, what is stored? Mari 1 assign, how 49 will come? Here, Gajneesh? Huh? Here and here character come. Here number coming, how 49 stored in the character variable, Rabbi? That's why I'm saying, stop using your brain. Ask a question with compiler terminology. What is the compiler terminology? 97 character is stored. What is the terminology? 97 character stored. 49 character stored. One character stored. 97 has a character single quote A. 49 character is what? Single quote 1. Similarly, there is a digit called what? 1. 0 to 255. The one character, some character is there. That character you don't know. Like how Monabai don't know about Gandhi other points. You know only, what is that? 149, 49, 1. Which one 49? Digit 1 is not 49. Letter 1 is 49. Okay, na? The digit 1 has one character. That character is your face. Understand? One representing is what? Your face. Smile face will come. Okay? Don't confuse. Then tell me, when I say literal 255, what you how to pronounce? 255 character is stored. 65,000 character is stored. 65,535 character is stored. 66,000, it's exceeding the range, error. Minus 97, exceeding the range, error. 97 stored because data type is in. Single quote A, number stored. Single quote A, number stored. I1, variable to variable, not allowed, compiler throw error. Variable typecasted and stored allowed. Read in English, not in Java. Not with your brain. Read with the compiler brain. Read in English. Meaning what? You try to know. Shall I show in the system now? Same program I have. Same program I have. There you go. Compiled. What is coming? To your smile face. कौन था भी फेस? अच्छा है तुमका फेस? हाँ? Smile face. Either you know answer, don't know answer, always smile. So one character is what? Smile face. If I assign single quote 1, single quote 1 stored. If I assign 1, 1 character stored. Similarly, tell me, if I assign single quote 10, compiler throw error. If I assign 10, error or no error? No error. What is stored? 10 characters stored. The 10 character is new line character. Unclosed. This is a error comment. 10 character is what? New line character. One line gap will come. What is coming? One line gap is coming. One line coming. Empty line. 10 is represents empty line. Next, 250, 260. 250 that Y cap, 260 number not there. So what will get? Question mark. Let me also take 65,000 also. When you practice, all these are compulsory asking entry questions, written test exam questions. Okay, you question mark, question mark. 250, 260, question mark, 65,535, question mark. We got a U for 255. Okay. The next 66,000 and minus 97 or what? Compile time error. Possible lossy conversion, possible lossy conversion. Hope you all understand how to work with the char and number literals. Paka. Will you practice again at home? I'll upload these programs and material again. Please read, practice and come. Okay, na? Tomorrow class, I'll continue with this char literal. One or 2 points extra are there. Then tomorrow we'll wind up this topic. Actually, today only we have to complete, but many people are missing today class. So next classes will be difficult for them to follow. Okay? Tomorrow also if rain is there, will not come to class, huh? Swim and come to the class. Because of rain not coming or some other reason not coming, it's a bad habit. First time I excused. Next day onwards, I'll take, when more people are not coming, that they'll take what? More time. So first time I excuse. Next time onwards, no excuse. So if you have any confusions, please ask. If no confusions, can leave. Thank you. Which